Good morning this Wednesday, the 12th of October. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Taking a look at the global markets overnight, over in the US, in the final hours of trade on Tuesday, the S&P500 overturned a morning rally to close 0.65% lower. The tech-heavy Nasdaq shed 1.1%, and the significant morning rally for the Dow Jones weakened, causing the industrials index to close just 0.12% higher. Stocks lost momentum in afternoon trade ahead of key inflation data due out later in the week that will provide an update on the state of the US economy. In the UK and Europe, it's a different story today as investors continued selling out of the markets there on Tuesday, with the UK's FTSE 100 ending Tuesday's session down 1.06%, while in Europe, Germany's DAX fell almost 0.5%, and the French CAC ended the session down 0.13%. European markets were sold off for a fifth straight session amid persistent investor concerns over global growth, the prospect of further monetary policy tightening, and the escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Over the last month, investors have pulled £694 million worth of investments in UK shares. Asia-focused equities manager Platinum Asset Management posted $172 million in outflows for September, and retail investors locally have pulled $400 million from Magellan Financial Group in the last month amid rising interest rates and the possible recessionary market environment, especially for the UK and Europe. On the commodities front this morning, Brent crude oil continues to decline this morning, trading 1.65% lower at $94.62 a barrel. Gold has rebounded to trade 0.58% higher this morning, around $1,677 an ounce, and iron ore is trading flat at $98 a tonne. Ahead of the new trading day, ASX futures are expecting the local market to open 0.33% lower following that afternoon sell-off on Wall Street overnight. Taking a look at economic data, there is no economic data locally to be released today, but over in the UK, investors will be awaiting GDP data for the month of August, while US PPI data for September will be due out later tonight. Stocks going ex-dividend today include Horizon Oil, Regis Resources and WAM Global. If you have been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks going ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. The Aussie dollar has weakened slightly overnight, traded at 62.62 US cents, 56.5 British pence, 92.06 Japanese yen, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 12 cents. Ahead of the local trading day, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Superloop following the formation of a pattern over a 32-day period, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 71 cents to the range of 82 to 84 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Race Oncology following the formation of a pattern over a period of 15 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.05 to the range of $2.25 to $2.29, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful day, and as always, happy investing.